I don't know why, but this bird looks like he's seen something. I've been studying animals for a long time, and their behaviors, I've seen certain animals' behaviors that are out of the ordinary than their typical regular animal, such as these. This is a limpkin. I don't know if he's injured, and it looks like a family of them, but I've learned that these specific bird species are limpkins, and they're very cute. Not gonna bother their bush. I also want to mention I found tons of shit back here. I like to walk around the forest and find tons of cool shit, so took a few pictures. If you guys want to see my page, have a good day.